I'm joined by Sarah Shockley, the author of The Pain Companion.
Nice to be here.
And what's The Pain Companion about?
It is exactly that, a companion for people who are struggling with chronic pain and how to get through each day.
We're talking about style and finding your voice.
Well, I'm also writing fiction now, so young adult fiction, and it's magical realism, where everything seems kind of normal, and then something unusual occurs.
Have you figured out what your narrative voice is yet?
Nobody really knows how to write until you start writing. So how do you write a story and make it interesting so you're writing it, and yet you don't want you to be so important. You don't want your reader to go, oh, there's that writer saying those things again. Oh, that's her style. I can see her style in there, you know. You want your style to be unobtrusive.